How to call someone who blocked your number on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your device. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Tap on any of your contact. Here, you can view this person's contact information such as their name, photo, number, and more. Tap on their mobile number to call them directly. As you can see, you cannot get through to their number. This is an indication that they might have blocked you. Now, go back and open up the WhatsApp application. In the Chats page, find and open their chat. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the call icon to call them on WhatsApp instead. Calling through WhatsApp or any other social media app is an alternate way to call someone if you think that they have blocked your mobile number. Following these steps, you can easily call someone who blocked your number on iPhone.